Today I will show you how to download YouTube videos without installing any software or any other app. All you need is a web browser. So without wasting, let's start. Click on a web browser. Type youtube.com. Select any video of your choice. Wait till the video loads. Open a new tab and type keepvid.com. Now go to the video and copy the video URL and paste it in this section under free download videos by pasting video URL. Paste here and hit the download button. Here you can see all the available formats for downloading. Only one thing is missing, the HD content. For that you will have to purchase the pro version. So for HD content this site may not be handy. Let's go to another site. Type y2mate.com. Simple thing, paste the video URL and click on start. All the available links are ready for download. Select whichever suits fine and then press the download button. Your file will be downloaded. And the last trick is the most easiest one. This is the video URL. Simply type in here before youtube.com, type 9x and press enter. It will open a new site and wait a while. There it is. All the available links for downloading. Choose any one. So this is the easiest way actually. Nothing to do, no other websites to search for, no copy and paste thing. Simply type 9x and press enter. These are some of the ways in which you can download YouTube videos.